These nice and square, so just using a tri-square, set it up so it's nice and level, ready to go. Gonna set it back just a bit from our edge, so we want to see a little bit of our, and the way I normally do it is I use this against the edge of the door space and then touch that onto the edge of my hinge, and that's my hinge set up ready to go. Big welder set up on 15 litres a minute of gas, 3.3 and wire speed 5. Alright, wire speed 5, hold my thumb on there to stop it from moving, and extend my wire, one tap, two taps. Alright, and that'll do for the moment, because we need to get our door fitted on so we can check how it moves and operates before we do our final welds.